everybody to my channel. I want to thank all my new subscribers. I want to thank all you guys who are trying to help me reach 300 subscribers. I hope by this video I have my 300 subscribers. So if I don't have my 300 subscribers, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, okay? So before we even get started, subscribe to my channel. Alrighty. So today's look is going to be really cute. You guys haven't really seen me do like just a makeup video in a while. My hair is done. My twist out messed up on this side, but that's alright. So you guys haven't seen me do a makeup video in a long time that was strictly just makeup and not hair. So I want to give you guys a nice cute date night look to go with, because it is almost Valentine's Day, and you know, sometimes, you know, we might not have a Valentine, or maybe we're just going out with the girls and you want to get cute. So I'm going to do this video for you guys. I'm going to also star a lot of new products as well in this video, and I'm not going to talk through this video. So if you do have any questions or anything like that, please list below, and then I can go more in depth in a later video about, you know, something that you might have a question on. So let's get started. Full face, here we go. this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video this time around, and if you do have any questions, you know, on my technique or just anything in general, please feel free to comment below. And again, I can't stress this enough, please subscribe to my channel. I know a lot of people watch, just make sure you subscribe. So again, I just want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.